Good Monday, July 23rd, 2007. This is Cincy Forecast meteorologist Trevor Cole. We are doing our severe weather outlook video tonight. So let's get to it. Let's see what we got here. We got the surface front, surface boundaries moving through the plains right now, and you can see this stationary boundaries moving through. That's causing some trouble down there in Texas, where they're seeing some numerous showers and thunderstorms, again with some more flooding. And you can see across Texas it's producing some strong thunderstorms, and then there's this big old cutoff low forming off in the northeastern states, which may cause some issues later this week for the Ohio Valley, but that will be up in the air at this point because it is a very unpredictable system, so we have to see what happens with this in the days to come. Okay, let's take a look at the national warnings. You can see there's not too much going on besides the flooding in the southern states around Texas and parts of Oklahoma and Kansas. And then we got some severe thunderstorms in the Rocky Mountains, which is pretty common this time of year. We get those afternoon showers and thunderstorms. Some of those do turn severe. And that's pretty much it. Everywhere else is pretty much quiet, with the exception of some fire weather advisories and whatnot like that. That's pretty much all we got out there. Here's the severe weather outlook for this evening. You can see there's an area painted in yellow across the central states, including most of Oklahoma, most of Kansas, and southern Nebraska. In these areas you can expect large hail-damaging winds, isolated tornadoes, but it does not look like a very high threat at this time. It is only a minimal slight risk, and on the minimal side of that, as in any ways, it's only a minimal side of the slight risk in the first point, so really don't expect much to go on through those areas. Let's see what we got here for tomorrow's severe weather outlook. You can see no organized severe thunderstorms are forecasted. We have some general thunderstorm areas, including the Cincinnati area, where we could see some showers and thunderstorms due to that cutoff low. But other than that, do not expect much to go on across the country in severe weather-wise, but other than that, just looks like a pretty good day for tomorrow, except the garden variety thunderstorms in the Rockies and the Central Plains along the frontal boundary. Let's take a look at the national radar, and you can see there's the cutoff low showing its face across the northeastern states. And you can see, especially across New York, where they're seeing some moderate rain right now. You can see there's some scattered thunderstorms in Kentucky right now, and across Florida and the southeastern United States, and also in Texas there are some showers and thunderstorms right now producing heavy rain and causing those flood warnings. And as you can see, right there's a little area of band of stronger thunderstorms in Oklahoma, which we are going to focus on in a second, and then you can see the garden variety scattered showers and thunderstorms across the west, which we really expect pretty much every day this time of year due to the monsoonal pattern. So let's see what we got here for the regional radar. You can see we have some showers and thunderstorms across Texas and across Oklahoma right now, and we're going to focus on those storms in Oklahoma, which have been severe. They've tapered down a little bit right now, but they have been severe over the last hour. So let's take a look at those right now. You can see we're going to look at a local Doppler radar out of Oklahoma right now, just southwest of Oklahoma City right now, and you can see Kiowa County was under a severe thunderstorm warning, which is now expired, but you can see there is a pretty strong thunderstorm going through that area right now, as well as some strong thunderstorms to the east of Abilene, Texas. Other than that, it's just general rain, showers, and thunderstorms, but nothing's too severe out there right now. And let's take a look at this animation of this NEXRAD site, and you can see the thunderstorm is just sagging slowly south. You can see it even has a little interesting feature. It is called an outflow boundary. And I will get this pen feature going up here real quick to show you this in more detail. Bear with me here, folks. I'm trying to get this feature going. And I just want to highlight this outflow boundary because it is a pretty interesting aspect of this storm. As you can see, it is moving. Looks like it will scrape the Altus area. It doesn't look like Altus is in for a big thunderstorm tonight, but it looks like you guys could see some showers and thunderstorms, but the main thunderstorm cell looks to be going to your east. And now I'll show you this. I'm going to go back a frame and then go back to this animation. You can see right through there's an outflow boundary. If you could see it, it's just on the top of that line I just drew right there. And you can see here is the main culprit for that outflow boundary. It is this cell right here that is causing that. It's moving to the south, so it looks like it'll scrape Altus. And here we have a close-up actually with even some storm attributes, and you see these are strong thunderstorms producing hail, and you can see this is the line actually producing the storm track is taking it southeastward, but I'd probably draw it a little further south than that, but it's general southeastward movement, so it looks like Altus, you will be scraped by this. And now looks like that'll be it for this edition of the Severe Weather Outlook.